At Ageless Forever, we offer platelet-rich plasma injections. These are known as PRP injections. We take your blood and spin it down, and we get this platelet-rich plasma. It's effective for treatments of osteoarthritis, tendonitis, tennis elbow, golfer's elbow typically. It's also effective in the use of a PRP shot. This is a series of injections that we do to improve erectile function in men. We use it for the vampire facial, which rejuvenates the skin in the face. We also use it for the vampire facelift, where we can actually, instead of putting in hyaluronic acid, we put in your platelet-rich plasma, which encourages your natural production of collagen in the cheeks to lift the cheekbones, to fill in maybe sunken temples, to do the lips, to give a much fuller, more natural look than a lot of the fillers will do. Please give us a call. We'd be happy to help you. We look forward to seeing you.